Hi, Ma'am Faye. Good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Freya Bajano.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old.
What is your marital status?
I'm single, but I have live-in partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am, I have three daughters, 21 years old and 19 years old, and the youngest is 3 years old.
Who will take care of your children when you work abroad?
My live-in partner.
Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, I have experience here in the Philippines. My first experience is Korean family since 2012 to 2018, and German family is 2018 to 2021.
What are your main duties as a domestic helper here in the Philippines?
My main duties is caring of kids, prepare her food, washing and ironing the clothes, cooking, car washing, cleaning the house, and carrying the dog.
Do you need to send the kids to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you are here?
Yes.
What would you do if you feel homesick?
I will do busy myself, and after my work, I call my family.
If your day off is not on Sunday, are you willing to take the job?
Yes.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No.
Are you willing to also take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes.
Are you willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it for personal reasons during your working hours?
Yes.
What would you do if your employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake?
I speak calmly, and I saying sorry. I will do it. I will not do it again.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work Hong Kong because of the high salary to provide of needed of my family and health.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer need me.
Say a few words to your future employer.
Hi, mom and sir. Good day. My name is Freya Bajano. I hope you give me a chance to hire me, work with your family. I promise I will do my best. I hardworking and flexible and reliable and caring. Thank you.